Hi everyone, so today we're going to be talking about the 7 characteristics of life, but what are they and why are they even important? Well, that's what I'm here to tell you about. So let's get started. Number 1, cells. They're a basic unit of life and every living organism has to have them. There are 2 types, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Alright, number 2, genetic material. All cells contain some kind of DNA that is passed on from generation to generation, ensuring survival. Alright, number 3. Next up, we have reproduction, growth, and development. Now this is absolutely essential for the survival of a species, and there are 2 types. There's asexual, like this dandelion, but then there's also sexual, like how I came from her. All right, next. Organization. So in order for something to be characterized as living, it has to be able to organize simple substances into complex ones. So for example, you may start with a cell, which is a tissue, which then becomes an organ, and then an organ system, and then an organism, like myself. All right, next. Homeostasis. Life has to be able to maintain a regulated balance. So for instance, when you're outside and it's freezing cold and your body begins to shiver, it's trying to maintain that internal temperature. All right, next. Energy processing. Life has to be able to capture and use energy. So for example, autotrophs capture the sun's energy and convert it into chemical energy for its food. All right, next. Last but not least, evolution. Evolution is a change in allele frequencies over time. So adaptation are traits giving an organism an advantage within their environment. So for example, these camels have adapted to their extremely hot climate with their humps. But don't forget, variation is extremely important because without it, we can't adapt. So all in all, it's super important to know the characteristics of life because we are part of life and we are surrounded by life, and that can always play a huge role in everything we do from day to day. So thank you for watching this video. My name is Emily. The more you know, the better.